Welcome you all in physical education class. Today the topic I am going to teach you is effect of exercise on body system. In this class you are going to study effect of exercise on cardiovascular system. आप सभी लोग जानते ही हैं nowadays we are facing a lot of problem related to the health. कोरोना वायरस उनमें से एक है. एक्सरसाइज का इफ़ेक्ट हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम पे बहुत ज़्यादा होता है और ये जो वायरस है वो उन लोगों पे ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट करता है जिनका इम्यून सिस्टम वीक हो. सो in this chapter you are going to study the effect of exercise in our body system, how it affect our body system, how it improve in our body system. So exercise has multiple short term and long term effect on our cardiovascular system. Your cardiovascular system is also called the circulatory system. It is made up of your heart, arteries, veins and capillaries. The primary role of your cardiovascular system is to circulate oxygen and glucose to your cells and to remove waste product carbon dioxide from the muscles. You have two type effect on your heart or cardiovascular system, short term effect and long term effect. So today you are going to study short term effect of exercise on cardiovascular system. First we are going to discuss heart. Short term aerobic exercise such as running for 30 minutes will not increase the size of your heart muscles, nor will it thicken the wall of your heart, but heart work efficiently. It increases the efficiency of our heart. Next is blood vessels. When you take one aerobic class, the blood vessels going to your working skeletal muscles increase in size or increase, so more blood can flow to these muscles. You know that your working muscles need continuous supply of energy or calories. Without energy, our body is unable to work efficiently. So the blood flow is an important role in circulation. Next is blood volume. The amount of blood circulation in our blood increase within 24 hours after your first exercise session. It means when you start doing exercise, aerobic exercise, 30-minute exercise, in 24 hours you can see the changes in your total blood volume. An increase in blood volume mean your body can deliver more oxygen to your working muscles. Your body will also be able to better regulate your body temperature during exercise. Next is cardiac output. Cardiac output is the amount of blood your heart pump out in 1 minute. It is regulated by the amount of blood your heart pump out in one contraction or stroke volume and the number of time your heart beat in 1 minute or your heart rate. Cardiac output increase as a short term and long term effect of exercise, or it can be said regular aerobic exercise. Initially, cardiac output increase due to an increase in your heart rate. Then, as your aerobic fitness improve, cardiac output increase due to an increase in stroke volume and decrease in heart rate. So you can see the effect of exercise on your cardiac output. Your stroke volume, it means the pumping ability of your heart increase and your heart rate decrease after doing exercise, 30-minute exercise. Now next point is blood pressure. After exercise, a person's systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure get changed. Your systolic blood pressure is the pressure against your wall when your heart contract. Diastolic blood pressure is the pressure against your arteries wall when your heart relax. So when you first start to aerobic exercise, your blood pressure increase as your cardiovascular system work to deliver more oxygen and glucose to your working muscles. A long-term adaptation to aerobic exercise is a decrease in both your systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure during rest and during sub-maximum exercise. For example, the American College of Sports Medicine also encourages regular exercise, aerobic exercise, as a method of controlling and reducing high blood pressure due to its effect on lowering your blood pressure. Today, we all know that a blood pressure is a chronic disease, or it can be said this is a lifestyle disease. Most of the person facing this type of disease, so we can improve our blood pressure when we are doing short-term exercises. It means 30-minute exercises. So this is all about the short-term effect of exercise on our cardiovascular system. In next class, you will study long-term effect of exercise on your heart. Thank you.